software driven. Okay, that was the software driven approach. Okay, as compared to the software defined network. And we have taken the example of next generation network centralized approach that is purely based upon the software driven based. And here I am telling the software defined network, basically that is the 95, we can say rough formula is there. 95% of software, that means your service based architecture or service oriented architecture will decide how your network will look like. Okay, and everything in a traditional network, you have to manually administer the thing. Okay, you have to manually administer the thing. And but in case of SDN, once you have defined your network, once you have defined your network inside the software defined network, entire thing will be visible from centralized place. And only thing is the in the bottommost plane will be categorized into the data plane part, and that will be categorized in the form of software sorry, the packet forwarding. Okay, packet forwarding plane, another name of data plane is the packet forwarding plane. Is that clear? Is that clear, or any doubt? Yesterday I have given one assignment, what basically a difference is MPLS, and what is basically difference between the MPLS and SDN is. Very sorry to say, I have got only 3-4 reply over the WhatsApp. I don't know whether you people feeling the puzzled, or what is the reason, or you are not getting the things. Okay, very less response I have got over the WhatsApp. So that is the I think it's my failure, basically. I don't know whatever thing is there, what is the reason behind that. I don't know whether you are interesting or not. It will be very difficult for me to continue these things, so I will try to some of the these lectures as compared to my earlier vision. I will try to finish this in this week. Okay, I will try to finish this course in this week itself. Okay, so and this is the thing behind that.
So there is a
Yeah.
request. So there is a request that we want you to continue with the course in depth, because using this course you are feeding us above the neck,
But
and
active
that is a very
participation I
good
require. Na,
approach.
active participation is not there. Na, I require that. I don't basically believe in the numbers. Definitely, numbers are meaningful for us for the BSNL point of view. So 100 numbers minimum I require. But another side, I require the participation, active participation also I require. So nobody is responding.
So
Only
today
two,
I
three.
had.
What I was
So
expecting, only
today.
2-3 lines. Okay, 2-3 lines. I don't require one paragraph. So for your
So
point of view, I have given. I don't require what basically a difference between MPLS and SDN. From my point of view, it is clear, very well clear to me. But for all of your point, my basic theme or idea was that you should be interactive on that. And for searching the question of difference between MPLS and SDN, you will encounter the so many things. Okay, what basically MPLS and what basically SDN is, and why we want to upgrade this one. Can leave it about that. So these things are there. Okay, is there any doubt up to so far? Is there any doubt up to so far?
No, sir.
Okay, this is the data plane, this is control plane, and this is the application layer. These things are there. These things are there. And further, what basically your control layer will have, it will comprises of so many controllers. Okay, so many controllers. And your flow table will be flood from this one through the southbound interfaces. These are nothing, these are not a physical interfaces, basically these are the software driven things. And open APIs. Okay, open APIs. And this is the northbound API. And east and west API also you will find that will behave the communication. Okay, that will that these interfaces will behave just like a communication for control layer. Sorry, one controller to another controller. Okay, if communication will be required, because communication need will be different. Communication need will be different between application layer and control layer, and control layer to infrastructure layer or data plane layer. This is the more elaborative diagram as compared to the earlier. So control layer, data plane, and application layer, that is the business applications. So this is the centralization. Okay, this is the centralization that I have. Okay, centralization. Software defined networks offer a centralized view of an organization entire network, making it easier to streamline enterprise management and provisioning. As VLANs become a more prominent part of physical LANs, and number of links and dependencies can easily create confusions. SDNs can speed up the service delivery and provide more agility for both virtual and physical network provisioning, all from a central location. Okay, the basic idea is to centralize the things, and the most important part is and the most important part is basically your earlier traditional network based upon your data, okay, to carry the high speed data and the huge volume of data, but it is not meant for the big data. Okay, now the things are different. Data is converted into the big data, so that's why we need to upgrade the our data network, and it is a slow process. Basically, whenever in BSNL we are going to migrate the things, in BSNL we are going to migrate the thing, and migration is not a it not will be in a one day. Okay, it is a steady process, just like NGN. First class 4 was there, then class 5 comes into the existence, so like that, in a slow manner it will come, and sooner than later definitely entire things will be migrated towards the SDN based approach. Centralized management will be there. Okay, I hope already these things are clear. The control plane consists of one or more controllers, which are considered as brain of SDN network, where the whole intelligence is incorporated. However, the intelligence centralization has its own challenge when it comes to the security, scalability, and elasticity, and this is the main issue of SDN. And that we have discussed: visibility, efficient, and the secure one. The higher visibility allows the for much better security and stop security breaches. Okay, but again, as it is a software driven network and it used to carry the real time traffic, that in terms of real time communication and real time decisioning, definitely you cannot achieve the 100% security, and security will be a big issue. Security will be a big issue. How to cope it with the different approaches are there, it is a separate part, so it will be covered in the separate course of SDN. So we have left the last class here, so just see the video. This is the very beautiful video for proper understanding of SDN.
So there is no audio in this video.
longer active.
So audio was missing in the video,
Yes, sir. It was missing.
Yes, sir.
in
Yes,
the
sir, it
later
was
part
missing.
also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, in the video, in the later part, Neha, in the later
No,
part
in
basically.
No, sir. The audio was not at all there in the video.
Neha, in the later part basically, have you got the voice in the video? Acha, no.
No, sir. No.
Okay, I will check the settings of my side. Okay, and now it is clear now what basically a idea behind the SDN and MPLS is, why we are moving towards the MPLS to SDN.
Yes, sir.
So this was a brief idea about the SDN, how to configure the SDN network, what are the parameters, what are the critical parameters, what are the KPIs for the SDN. So this will be covered in the SDN part basically whenever SDN course will be conducted. So my basic aim to take the SDN concept here is because it's all about, we have seen one architectural diagram, sorry. In that we have seen we have the sensor, we have the device and things that after that they are connected to the this gateway part, and after the gateway cloud is there. So in between that ISP connectivity is there. That is the internet connectivity is required. So when we are going to upgrade the things, and your smart devices or the things basically generates the tons of data, generates the tons of data. So that means we need to upgrade to carry this data, that in the amount of big data we need to carry the, we need to renovate our data network also. Okay, we need to carry the this one also. So that's why SDN comes into the existence. Yes, Diksha, you have any question? Are you getting my voice?
Hello.
Yeah, Diksha, are you getting my
Hello.
voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your question?
sir,
सर
सर SD-WAN और SDN सेम होता है क्या?
नहीं, अलग अलग है। पहले MPLS था, देन SD-WAN आया, उसके बाद SDN आया।
ओके ओके
ओके,
सर इसमें क्या डिफरेंस क्या है सर?
इनमें माइनर डिफरेंस है, आई विल शेयर इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप।
ओके सर, ओके।
Okay,
Thank
basically SD-WAN has the less capacity as compared to SDN. Okay, for the time being, you just remember कि
सर
it
सीरीज
has the
कैसा
less
सर, पहले एमपीएस आया फिर SD-WAN आया फिर
हाँ,
SDN आएगा ना सर?
फिर SDN आया, ये hierarchy है सर इसकी। Okay,
Okay,
still some people, basically old peoples or experienced people prefer the MPLS as compared to the migrate towards the SD-WAN or SDN. Okay, so it is basically a adaptation approach. Okay, new player, if you are a new player, definitely directly you will go to the SDN based approach, and if you are in the migration, definitely you have to adopt the tactics. Okay, what will suit you? So you can say it is a way basically from MPLS to SDN. Okay, MPLS to SDN, MPLS to SDN. So the hierarchy is like that. First MPLS is there, then SD-WAN concept is there in around 2014 around. SD-WAN comes into the existence. After that, your SDN, nowadays your SDN taken the full maturity. Okay, and it is in at present it is in worldwide adopted approach due to the service based architecture. Okay, due to the every technology requires the service based architecture and service oriented architecture. Is that clear?
सर ये नैरो बैंड जो हमारे पास राउटर था सर, वो हमारा क्या एमपीएलएस था, और इधर अभी जो हमारे पास जो राउटर आ रहे हैं सर, वो SD-WAN टाइप के हैं क्या सर?
हाँ, मे भी
और
कह सकते
ये
हैं सर,
सुपर
कह
कोर
सकते हैं,
राउटर,
कह सकते हैं सर, कह सकते हैं सर,
ओके,
है
एंड
ना,
सुपर
कह
कोर
सकते
राउटर
हैं।
जो अभी आएगा सर,
हाँ सर,
वो सब वो क्या सर SDN बेस्ड होगा क्या सर?
हाँ सब SDN बेस्ड होगा। बेसिकली क्या है सर, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टिंग डिप्लॉयड द नोकिया सुपर कोर. Okay, these are the
सर
SDN
यस सर,
controller basically. Okay, and
ओके
only on your network basically data as per the data part consideration, and this will be the only controller. This will be only controller. Okay, and rest of the devices, whether it is a gateway, whether it is a LAN switch, whether it is your router, all will behave just like a packet forwarding.
ओके ओके,
Is that clear, sir?
यस सर यस सर,
Packet switching, BCG packet switching. Forget about circuit switching. Only packet switching will be there. Okay, fast packet switching. Okay, fast packet switching. No circuit switching will be there inside the SDN. Okay, please forget about the circuit switching inside the any SDN one. So these are the benefits of SDN as compared to the network routing: cost reduction, physical versus virtual network management, reduced downtime, central networking management tools, centralized control will be there. I think already we have discussed all these, and this is the IoT architecture. Okay, now come to the topic. We have seen the SDN. Okay, role of SDN in the IoT. If we adopt the SDN architecture, SDN methodology, how your IoT architecture will look like. So very important diagram is there. Inside that, it is grouped into the 4 layers. Okay, I think it is already clear कि why 4 layers are there. Is there any doubt कि 4 layers ही क्यों हैं? Bishijit ji, any doubt why only 4 layers are there? Okay, due to the we are taking the reference architecture of ITU, in that 4 layer model is there, so that's why we are taking the 4 layer architecture. And further inside that what we are doing, we are inserting the SDN based network. Okay, SDN based network. In perception layer, what we have the sensors, smart devices, whether it is things or whatever it may be. After that, through the gateway, through the gateways, they will directly jump to the this data plane part. Okay, sorry, network part, data plane part. Okay, centralized controller. These are the packet forwarding device. Okay, this is their local end. Say smart home, it is there. After that, with the help of these gateways are also SDN enabled gateways. Okay, these SDNs are also an SDN enabled gateways, or simply you can for the time being you just make an analogy with the LAN switch. Okay, just like a LAN switch. After that there will be some form of migration or jump from layer 2 to layer 3 device. All of you know very well about that. So like that, they will jump to the control plane. They will jump to the control plane. Inside that, what you have the SDN controller. You have the SDN controller, and depending upon your IoT application needs, it may be security, routing, reliability, mobility, load balancing. So many things are there. A numerous type of application demanding will be there. Okay. And a numerous type of things will be there as per their as per the need of applications. Your SDN controller, your complete network topology or hierarchy is available with the SDN controller. Your SDN, what SDN controller will do, your SDN controller will make the routing table, okay, or open flow table, and simply it will simply feed to the this routers, what you can say, LAN switch or gateways. Okay, this is how it works. This is how it works. And definitely some sort of security mechanism will be there. It will switch the packet. Some firewall type of arrangements can be there inside that. Whatever the security arrangements you want to feed inside the data plane network, you can make. Okay, we can provide this one. It will be also in the form of software. It will also be in the form of software. Is that clear? इज दैट क्लियर? इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट हो? हाँ, विश्वजीत जी, एनी डाउट? Because what basically it is depicting the IoT in the IoT possibility of SDN based architecture. Okay, SDN based architecture, and things are the similar that we have already discussed in the core SDN based architecture. It is divided into the data plane. Okay, it is divided into the data plane. It is further grouped into the SDN based control with the SDN based controller, and further service based architecture, or your applications will come inside the services. Okay, and so many type of applications, whether it is a network priority, traffic priority, so many things will be decided by the network controller, and you have to define the entire network topology inside the SDN controller. Is up to this it is clear? Up to it is clear?
So what is black SDN controller?
Black SDN, basically it is a company name. Okay, I have taken the diagram from various sources basically. Okay, these are the SDN gateways. Okay, forget about the black. These are the SDN gateways. Okay,
Okay, sir.
SDN gateway device. यानी कि in earlier phases of this discussion, I have taken the IoT diagram. Inside that, you have seen the gateway in the premises part. Okay, so this is the same gateway but supported by the SDN. Okay, SDN enabled, and gateway will jump to the data plane. Okay, it also comes under the data plane part. Okay, it's also comes under the data plane part, and it will be directly connected to the SDN controller or some sort of gateway router. Okay, some sort of gateway router can be there. It will depend upon your topology. Purely depend your topology. There can be some centralized controller, centralized router, not a controller, centralized router. If first traffic will be gathered from X to Y, then Y will be only connected to the SDN. Okay, it may be possible. So it will depend upon your open flow type. Okay, and that's why I'm not going in much detail about the SDN. You can make your own SDN network simulator, okay, through the Mininet. If you are very well if you have the very much expertise on the Linux platform and the Python programming, you can make your own SDN simulator on the Mininet or Mini. So with the help of Mini-Edit, you can make your own topology, and you can see the how the traffic behaves, or this router behaves, or your data plane behaves when the traffic quantity is less or the maximum, and how to define the policies in the controller part. So these things you can find inside that. So any doubt?
So what is the full form of ONOS and ODL?
ONOS and ODL, these are the type of controller. These are the type of controller. Okay, these some full forms are there. Okay, normally we prefer the ONOS. These are the different, basically these controller belongs to the different vendors. Cisco, Nokia, and this one, Juniper. These are the some players. Okay, so they have given the separate names. Okay, if you are saying the ONOS, so for ONOS there will be a separate type of open flow, but important thing is both are interoperable. Okay, all are interoperable, all are interoperable. Is that clear?
सर
हाँ.
सर ये थोड़ा करंट सिनेरियो के
Yes,
साथ
sir.
में थोड़ा सा इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे सर? जैसे मान लेते हैं कि ये आपका नीचे का जो प्लेन है आपका परसेप्शन प्लेन सर,
हाँ.
परसेप्शन प्लेन लाइक हमारा मान लेते हैं अगर डिस्लैम के साथ हम लोग कंपैरिजन करते सर, तो ये
हाँ.
डिस्लैम का पोर्शन आ गया हमारा, फिर ऊपर में हम
हाँ.
चले जाते हैं तो वो हमारा बीएनजी का पोर्शन आ गया या राउटर का पोर्शन आ गया,
हाँ. हाँ.
फिर ऊपर चले जाते हैं देन आईजीडब्ल्यू के साथ कंपेयरिंग, मतलब ये इसके साथ तो थोड़ा कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो सर ये ज्यादा
सर
एक्टिव हो जाएगा।
बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, बेसिकली जो है,
यस सर,
ठीक है, ये एसडीएन नेटवर्क का पार्ट है। एसडीएन कोर्स में आई विल ट्राई और आनंद विल ट्राई। बेसिकली डेटा नेटवर्क में जो है आनंद जी हैं, यहाँ पे आनंद जी थोरो हैं, सो वो कवर करते हैं एसडीएन पार्ट। अगर वो नहीं करते हैं तो आई विल स्टार्ट द एसडीएन कोर्सेज। अदरवाइज बेसिकली मैं आपको छोटा छोटा सा आइडिया दे देता हूँ इसका। इसमें एमपीएलएस में पी राउटर और सी राउटर, दो टाइप के राउटर होते हैं। ऑल ऑफ यू एग्री विद दिस वन और नॉट सर?
यस सर, यस सर।
है ना? बेसिकली हमारा काम कहाँ से शुरू होता है? एज ए लेमैन मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सर, हमारा काम होता है पी राउटर से, है ना? मानेंगे ना सर? अगर कहीं भी कोई दिक्कत हो तो आप क्लियर करिएगा
Yes,
मुझे।
sir.
हम क्या करते हैं,
Yes,
पी
sir.
राउटर से ट्रैफिक निकालते हैं अपना।
यस सर,
Yes, sir.
आफ्टर दैट वो सी राउटर पे जाता है और वहीं से वो एमपीएलएस वगैरह का जो भी है वो सारा काम आपका पिक्चर में आता है। बहुत डिटेल में नहीं
Yes, sir.
जाएंगे। तो अब आप ये
Yes, sir.
मानो कि जो सी राउटर है वो रिप्लेस आपके एक तरह से ये हो जाएगा, जो उसकी अथॉरिटी है वो कंट्रोलर से हो जाएगी, इससे एसडीएन कंट्रोलर से,
ओके सर, ओके सर।
है ना? और बाकी जितने भी पी है, आपका डी स्लैम है, और डी स्लैम के अंदर आपके जितने भी हैं, चाहे वो ओसी लैन हो, दैट मींस सम पैकेट मूवमेंट्स आर देयर। पैकेट मूवमेंट ही तो
Yes,
होगा ना
sir.
सर, पैकेट बेस्ड डिवाइस है तो उसमें कहीं भी
Yes, sir.
आपका लॉजिक डिसीजनिंग नहीं होगा। वो सारा का सारा एसडीएन कंट्रोलर का काम है, और ये सारे के सारे आपके पैकेट फॉरवर्डिंग डिवाइस हो गए।
ओके,
तो
ओके
उसमें
सर।
हो सकता है पी राउटर का नाम कुछ और रखो आप, या पी राउटर ही रखो, या जो भी आप रखो, क्योंकि थोड़ी दिक्कत आपको आएगी। ये एसडीएन अप्रोच क्या है, इसमें क्या है कि सीधा आप ये डेटा प्लेन लगाओ एसडीएन बेस्ड, और अपना सीधा ये कंट्रोलर लगाओ और हो गया आपका काम। बट जब भी दिक्कत आती है बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू adopt the migration approaches, definitely some problem will arises. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so just like NGN also, in case of NGN also migration में थोड़ी problem आती है कि what about the circuit switching, what about the PRI, what about the BRI, so many things arises. I hope you got the point. So these things will be
Yes, sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
What exactly
Yes,
the
sir.
situation will be, अब आप कहने लगेंगे सर ये पॉइंट है मेरे पास में डीस्लैम का, मैं कहाँ ले जाऊंगा इसे? तो ये मेरे पास भी अभी शायद इसका आंसर नहीं है, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे चीजें एक्सप्लोर होंगी। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट में, डेप्लॉयमेंट पार्ट में ये आता है सर, दिक्कत आएगी है। लेकिन एसडीएन की वर्किंग आपकी यही है। ओपन फ्लो है तो ओपन फ्लो डेफिनेटली राउटिंग टेबल विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द ओपन फ्लो, एंड बेसिकली इट इज मेंट फॉर द सर्विस बेस्ड आर्किटेक्चर, and your net application and services will decide how your network will look like that. As per the decisioning of this one, your complete network will be this one will work. Diksha, clear? Diksha,
Yes, sir. Yes.
oh, shall I forward?
Okay,
चलिए
sir.
आगे
Okay.
बढ़ते हैं।
Okay.
Yes, sir.
आप लोगों ने आंसर दिया नहीं एमपीएलएस सर, वो अगर आप रिप्लाई करते, इफ यू रिप्लाई दिस वन, तो यू विल एनकाउंटर द सो मेनी interesting facts, so that you will be in a position to ask many questions. Okay, कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं अभी भी गायब कर रहा हूँ इसमें से, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं है। जो डिफरेंस आता है वो मैं बताता आपको। बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स हैं, सो बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग डाउट्स आते हैं इसके लिए, लेकिन आप लोगों ने कोई रेस्पॉन्स दिया नहीं, तो इस वजह से मैं भी उसे गायब कर रहा हूँ। आई एम स्किपिंग द थिंग्स बेसिकली। So this is the more elaborate